Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing some corn harvest. So we already did this field, I did it off camera. But, yeah, we're doing another field smaller than this one actually. So, I wanted to take the Alzheimer's, but we already used it for this field and I don't want to use it right now. And I want to use this. That's a big gravity wagon. Or not gravity wagon, grain cart. Oh. My dogs are barking, but I don't want to. I feel like I don't want to use it right now. Okay, it's just I already got the 4955 down there, but I am gonna use this case combine over here. Yeah, so we have our so if I bring this down, we have two combines running. Austin is running the other combine, the John Deere. We might switch out. I'm gonna use this. Oh yeah, she purrs. I love the sound of this. Yeah, this one. This is both combines are like. I bought a bunch of older stuff because it was like cheap on the market and stuff. So I built some more. Built some more silos. They're small, two small ones, and because I'm gonna be planting beans as well as corn, so I'm gonna do that, and I needed some silos for beans because I want to keep it separate with the corn dryer, and yeah, so it's down this road here. Man, this thing, like, it hauls. I love this thing. Yeah, I bought it yesterday, actually. I haven't used it yet, but she's got, like, I think 2,000 miles on her. It was like a steal. I paid, like, 75, I think, on it. 75,000. But, yeah, I taught Austin earlier how to run the combine. Hopefully didn't blow it up or something. Hopefully didn't. I think he should be on fine. But we'll see. It's right here, the field. That's a big field. We might, I don't know, I want to buy it, but not right now. I don't have the biggest equipment to do that. Yeah, we have a couple cornfields actually. Here, I can show you guys. So we are actually harvesting field 4 because John Deere built on that, and they have some corn planted there that they planted, or some farmer. So yeah, they planted it, I think. Yeah. Oh, there goes Austin. He ain't doing a bad job. He's been doing his job, so I guess he's doing a good job. Yeah, we got our semi down here. We got the 4955, the grain cart. Alright, okay, first time running this thing. Hopefully it doesn't blow up on me. Oh, back her up. Okay. And let's make sure everything is unfolded. And we should be good. And I'm pretty sure it was unfolded. No. Okay, lights work. Oh, wait, hold on. I know what it is. No, wait, what? I'm a little bit confused. Ah, okay, that's how it works. Alright, I'm figuring it out. I'm learning how to drive this case. But, seems to be running smooth. Oh yeah, Austin's getting full on here. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go, wait, hold on, let me just shut this off real quick. Oh, please Austin, don't be there. I don't want to lose my legs today. And yeah, I'm gonna go, he's full. Or he's getting there, I think. So I'm gonna go, it looks like it. Go unload him. Wait for him to turn around. I'm gonna pull up here, actually. Here, Austin, you there on CB? Yeah, I'm coming, I'm coming on over. Okay. Alright, Austin. Shoot, Austin, I swear if you... No, you're good, Austin. There you go. Keep on going. Or you can... Yep. You're good, turn. It's hard to see him with this ring cart. Back up. Yeah, he's getting full. Yeah, so this is the field we have to harvest here. It's not that big, honestly. I want to expand it a little bit more when we get cultivated and plowing. Alright, auger out. Okay. Oh shoot, I might be a little bit too close. Alright. Let me come. Oh, you're full. Okay. I got it. Alright, we're just unloading him. Here, wait, let me go talk to him real quick. Hey, Austin, you good with the combine? It looks like you're doing a good job. Alright. Hey, man, stop listening to Taylor Swift. Okay. Shoot, I had some lag there. Okay, this is filling us up. So, I'm gonna go... Not right now. I think I'm gonna... Yeah, Austin, you're good. I'm gonna park because I gotta run the case. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this case is doing a good job so far. Nothing bad so far. Yeah, Austin's doing pretty good there. I think real quick I'm gonna go around here. And then I'm gonna go unload into the grain cart. And see, yeah, I'm gonna go unload the truck, but yeah, I'll see you guys when the truck is full. Okay guys, so we pretty much got the semi filled up. It's at 95%, but that's pretty much full, so we're gonna go take this back to the farm. And yeah, so let's just pull around here real quick. Try not to go in the river. And wow, but Austin did tell, oh shoot, Austin did tell me that his mom was picking him up soon, but he did a lot of today. Yeah, look how much he did in the combine. But yeah, he said he's gonna get picked up soon, so yeah. But man, this semi is beautiful. I love the semi. Come on, give her gas, give her fans, going up the hill. Alright. But the Jake brake really sounds good on this. Ready and oh yeah, I was too not paying attention there. Okay, that was my fault. Yeah, we gotta finish this cornfield and pull in here real quick. Alright, let's see if I can get, that doesn't let me do both. I don't like that. I want to do both hoppers. That sucks. Alright, let's check where it's been here. So, yeah, later we have to go get some propane. But it's filling up. Yeah, dry corn's gonna get us money. Okay, yeah, Austin texted me and said he left. Let's get that unloaded. Man, it's loud in here. Radio? Alright, let me, wait, hold on. Turn up that radio. Come on, work. Shoot. Okay, here, wait, let me try to get it running. Here we go. Hey guys, it's Jax, and welcome to Jax FM. Today, there are some farmers out there that are getting ready for corn harvest today. And this is, make sure you guys go check out that new, First State Tractor dealer. Remember, that was John Deere. Runs like a deer. Okay, yeah, that's Jack. He's probably one, like the most famous person in Green River, Nebraska. Oh shoot, and pull in here, and yeah, there we go. Alright, so, I'm gonna see you guys when this, field is done, and yeah. Okay guys, so we just finished the field. Yeah, we're gonna just, oh, hit the brakes, there we go. So yeah, we got this field done. Austin had to go early, but we still got it done, so that's good. And now we just gotta unload in here. Oh yeah, we're not gonna fill it up, I don't think. And that way we fill it up all the way, yeah. No, that's fine. We'll just take it back to the farm either way. Here, I'll just shut this off. Oh, yep, and man, this thing is. This is a nice truck, a nice semi truck. Man, that Jake brake is loud. You probably hear that Jake brake from the other side of Nebraska. It's so loud. Probably put there. Go. Alright, let's just hit the gas. And oh yeah, we're cruising. Ooh. Alright, pull into this here. Watch it. Watch there. Good. And pull in here. Okay. So load it. Let's see this. Okay, so this is our corn dryer, and looks pretty good. We just need to get some propane because we only have like 45,000 liters, and I want to get more, so we get it. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, we're making good corn. Alright, that's empty. Let's pull her over to the side here, at least just here, and let's just shut her off. Okay, so we actually gotta go get some propane, so let's do that. Springs, Nebraska. This is a good town. Oh, they got some McDonald's here. Yeah, so, yeah, we're on the highway. This isn't really the highway, like an actual highway, but I just call it a highway because it's fast. Oh yeah, we own this field of corn. We gotta harvest that. It's probably ready in a couple months or something. Yeah, well, I don't know if we have to harvest it, like in December or something. Move faster, come on, let's go. You're kind of slow here. I just pull in front of you, be that one idiot, but yeah, so tractor supply, okay, we're going tractor supply. Oh shoot, move out of the way, car. Yeah, so this trailer actually holds pretty good amount of propane. Man, I like these winding roads. One guy, like, he took a really fast car, just sent it off from here. Man. Also, like, another guy, when I was, like, icy and stuff, he, like, was in, like, a Camaro or something. And he, like, tried to drift his car, but he went flying off this cliff here, and yeah, horrible accident, and died. I think that was back in, what was it, 90s? Yeah, and the fact is, he picked that Camaro right up from the dealer, drove it home. Thought was, oh shoot, we're sliding a little bit. But yeah, these roads get pretty dangerous, definitely during the winter. Tractor supply is over this bridge. Oh shoot. Okay, with the map, they gotta like move this tree out of the way. So, yeah. Look at, this is a really nice bridge. I like this bridge. Alright, let me turn on radio. Welcome to Jack FM. And this is Nebraska News. There is a accident over by Rushville, Nebraska. Now, road 387, or I should say Route 387, is closed off. So, might have to take some back roads to wherever you're going. Okay, that's different. What is this? Where's the? This is propane, yeah. Yeah, we're filling up propane. Okay. So yeah, I'll see. Let's just make sure this is filled up. Alright, guys. So yeah, this tank of propane was only like 725 bucks, which is good because in Elm Creek they had really expensive stuff. But I was listening while they're filling it up and stuff. I was listening to, you know, Jack FM, and he, I think he said he had a big party last night, and I think he got a little drunk because he was saying some no-no words on there. And I don't want to repeat those no-no words, and I can't show them on YouTube because that would be bad. No more no-no words, no cuss words. But yeah, this is yeah, we got a good tank of propane. Hit that turn. Yeah, look how steep that is. Holy crap. There's a field down there. What if we buy that? Just do some rock climbing on there. That'd be awesome. What if we just, like, one day I want to get a lifted truck and just climb that. Like, you know how awesome that would be? Man, some guy was like flying 100 mile an hour, just sent it over those trees onto the highway. Yeah, he damaged his suspension there, but he was fine. Oh, what is going on with my trailer? Can we talk about that? Oh shoot. It says to go like 25 here. Who cares? Alright, ready? No cop, no stop. Man, this thing, like, this is a good truck. Like, I wouldn't use this truck if you're like hauling a heavy load on like a gooseneck trailer or something. But it's good for like just getting around the farm, hauling little stuff like this. I mean, I'll probably put a gooseneck on her just to like, I don't know, test her. I mean, she'll go with a gooseneck. She'll just be squatting like crazy. Yeah, I don't know if you guys like squatter trucks or something. I'm not a big fan of them. I like squad trucks if they're working, if you know what I mean. Alright, we're pulling up to the farm. It's right there. Look at that lake there. Yeah, it's probably what I do. That's what I do where I go for 4th of July. That lake there. Okay, let's put this propane in our corn dryer. I'll speed up some more process. And let's go from here. Oh, I love this truck. I can't stop talking about it. Alright, let's pull this in here. Oh shoot. And yeah. Okay, so we're just saying here. This is like this is my corn dryer. This is like silage and stuff, but I don't want to do that. That was like from the previous farmer who was here, but I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna just keep that blank. Yeah, we already got 70,000 liters. That's good. It's still going. Yeah, we still got like another couple hundred liters left. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video here. It might have been a little bit boring because it was long. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.